Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh to the panels and also for the audience. So my name is Dr. Siti Aisyah Idrus. I'm the team leader for this innovations called as a Smart Service Sequence Learning Kit, interactive learning kit for the hospitality students. So with me, all the fellow teams we have from the International University of Tabuk, also my student that helped me in term to fulfill this innovation, Muhammad Amir, also Shahizul from UUM. So basically, what is this innovation? Basically, is developed as an improved version of award-winning infographic service sequence, smart booklet. So, for your information, I already go for the innovation competition in 2020 for the ICOMPEX, and Alhamdulillah, I got silver medal. So, what I need to improve is only have the infographic, but don't have any video, don't have any interactive quizzes. So, I embedded all that in order to make sure that they have a more impact to the students. And what is related theory? Yes, it's integrate with the theory. We have a constructivism in order to the student to build the knowledge through their independent study, and also cognitive load theory from Twiller. Manual and text may overload memory, and this kit will simplify learning with 6 sections, visual and short video. And also we have a multimedia learning theory in order we integrate with the infographic, video, and also the quizzes. Okay, what is the problem behind this innovation that make me want to do this more, more better from that particular innovation before? So the problem is traditional teaching is less interactive. Digital generation require a more modern approach. Infographic alone are insufficient for difficult step. Okay. So the student voices, they say that, Doctor, there are too many steps. I'm confused. They're still confused when I'm introduced the innovation earlier, the innovation that I already go for the ICOMPEX. So I need to enhance more to the innovations. Doctor, I'm lost. I use a lot of steps. Picture alone are sometimes unclear. All right, so that's the reason why I come out with the Smart Service Sequence Learning Kit that have everything. So we have integrate within the short video, visual infographic, quizzes, and rate system. And we divisions the 14 step into 6 systematic sections. We not only bulk all the 40 step. We divide for the 6 systematic sections. All right. Okay, so objective, we want to make sure that we have a simplified more memorization, support self-directions, increase the student motivation and confidence, flexible kit adaptable to other hospitality models, not only for food and beverage operation students, but also can use for the housekeeping and also for the front office courses. Okay, this is the key features for this new innovations. All right, we added with the visual infographic,
Welcome to Refractory
QR
Restaurant.
code. We have a
My name is
short
Ahmed
video
and I
for
will be
difficult
your
steps.
waiter
So
for today.
nowadays, students can see
Have
the
you made any
video, see the
reservation for us?
simulation for this
Under
particular
which
step
name?
by step. And this can
Let me
see
check
the
first.
visual infographic interactive
How many
QR.
packs?
So every part, we have 6 parts that we already divide.
Alright, I see you
In order
have
to make
made
sure
your
the students are more
reservation
easier to
and
learn
your table
and
number is
memorize.
reserved.
And also have the QR code behind the part. And also have the quizzes and mobile learning access anytime, anywhere. They can learn anytime, anywhere they want to do the revision, for example, because they only have to scan the QR code to have all these particular learning kits. All right. The impact, yes, we already tested to the 16 students in my class, in the food and beverage operation class. And Alhamdulillah, they like this innovation. They say that it's not only can see the infographic, but they can see the video and they can answer the quizzes. So it's really interactive for them. And also we got the feedback from the industry. We not only take the feedback from the students because we want to make sure that it's relevant to the industry itself. And Alhamdulillah, the learning kit also align with the industry needs. Okay, not only the theory but also align with the practical in the industry. Alhamdulillah. And also this is the advantage, the difference from the previous, from the student.
Hello
Alhamdulillah,
guys,
students say there is more
have you
systematic
guys know
because we
about Smart
divide
Service
for the 6
Sequence
part,
learning kits?
include multimedia,
Okay, me as a
immediate
student,
assessments,
I
and
find
flexible
that
for the
the
other
Smart Service
modules.
Sequence learning kit really helpful. Instead of just memorizing steps, the videos, infographics, and games make learning more fun and easier to understand.
Alhamdulillah.
I also like the greeting practice
This is
because
also
it's
the
let
student
me role play with
reflections.
confidence. a smile and a good eye contact, just like in real
Is the
service.
example for the
And
student
honestly,
interaction, all right? So we go for the potential and external scaling. So these particular innovations not only stop for the FMB courses, what we can do for the front office and housekeeping for SOP, and also align with the IR for 4.0 principle, digitalization and flexible and collaboration, and not only for particular locally in Malaysia, but we want to embed it these innovations to promote or expand for the internationally. Okay, so conclusion and call to action. This innovation address the challenges of traditional learning. Alhamdulillah, enhance student mastery and motivation from the feedback from the students, and a sustainable digital learning model for the futures. They can use this innovation anytime, anywhere. Support and collaboration for future development. Yes, it's currently nowadays is used in the Impiana Hotel Ipoh Perak. This being introduced by our industry advisor, which is Encik Nasir from Impiana Hotel Ipoh, and nowadays is currently used in the hotels. Alhamdulillah. So this is how we deliver the innovation to the student. We do the simple poster and we put at the restaurant. The student can scan this poster and get all the innovation there. All right. So lastly, thank you for listening. Let's create impact together. The future depends on what we do today. Every small action, every thoughtful decision shape the path we are building for tomorrow. It's from Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you so much from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope this innovation will give the impact not only for the UM student, also anytime and everywhere. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.